Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be looking at how to add a preloader to your WordPress website. Now what is a preloader? And a preloader is just an animation showing the progress of a page loading in the background. Now it shows that a particular page is loading, and this can be your home page, about page, or any other page. So a preloader can help visitors to know that your page is loading. Now this can improve the user experience and also reduce bounce rates on your website. Now to add a preloader to your WordPress website, you go to plugins. Now from the plugins, you click on add new. Now from the plugins page, you search for a plugin called Loader. So you can see the plugin here. You click on install now. You click on activate. So our plugin is activated successfully. So from your admin dashboard, from the options on the left hand side, we click on settings, or you hover on settings. Now you see the options called Loader Lite. So you click on Loader Lite. Now it takes you to your WordPress theme customizer, which you should be familiar with. Now from the WordPress theme customizer, you have the Loader Lite option here. You have different options here, and you can see that the Loader Lite is enabled, and you can enable it or disable it. And at the right hand screen, you can see the default preloader that is showing, and it's showing the black background with the blue icon. Now this is the default settings, which will be changing. Now at the left hand side, you can see different options like display on. Now the first option shows display on, which we'll click. And when you click on display on, so you see the option site wide and also homepage only. Now the site wide option ensures that the preloader shows on all your website's pages. And if you have 10 pages on your website, and the preloader will show on the website pages, the 10 of them. Now, but I'm going to set mine to homepage only. Now homepage only here, the preloader will only show on your home page once your website loads. It's only going to show once when your website loads. So I'll set mine to home page only, and I'll click back. Now the next option is background. Now from the background, you can pick a color. So I'll set mine to green. You can also select the opacity of the background of the preloader. Now you can see that my own opacity is set to 95, but I'll set mine to 100. Now the next option is ending animation. Now here you can select different animation types. You have slide left and right, slide up and down, and no animation. Now I can set slide up. Now to see a preview of the slide up, you hover on the right hand side. That is where the animation is showing. And you can see this is the preview. You can hover again to see the preview of the animation. But I'll leave mine to fade. Now you go back and you click on loader. Now from the loader, you can change the preloader icon. Now the default icon is set to spinning sun, but you have different options to choose from. And you can also select a custom image. And if you have a custom image that is your brand logo, you can select that in place of the default icon that is loading. But I'll keep mine to the default icon. Now the next option is to pick a color for your preloader icon. So I can set any color here, but I'm going to leave mine to the default white. So you go back, and the next option is more. Now from the more setting, you click on maximum load time. Now from the maximum load time, you can set how long animation should play. But for this video, I'm going to leave mine to 4. And you can still edit this later, but I'll leave mine to 4. Now click on publish. So with this guys, we've added a preloader to our WordPress website. Just feel free to go back and make some changes. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I would like to know how today's video has helped you out on your WordPress career journey. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys.